Para malakas ang immune system, magtiwala sa Pro. Immune Pro.
Ang balitang ito ay hatid sa inyo ng ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified, maker of world-class quality Pride detergent.
Magskilan, isang tableta, up to 12 hours long-lasting bisa sa paulit-ulit na pain.
RH number 1. Charm Fabric Conditioner with Bloom Fresh Technology. May antibacterial na at ka-bloom sa bango ang damit. Charm Fabric Conditioner, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified, world-class quality. Art to art.
Ako po si Lisa Makuha Elizalde na nag-aanyaya sa inyong samahan kami muli sa pagbabalik ng Art to Art. Alas 13:30 ng hapon dito sa DZRH Radio at DZRH News Television. Usapang sining at kultura para sa lahat tuwing araw ng linggo. Huwag kaligtaan.
Art to art.
You really have to have that really good mindset. What the mind does, the body will follow. My name is Gabriela Venturina. I'm 26 years old. I'm a certified personal trainer and certified strength and conditioning specialist, and currently I am a senior law student. I was never really a quitter in anything that I did. The thing is, you really have to put it in your mindset that you will accomplish that goal. You have to have a certain amount of discipline to be able to still put in the work every day, even on times when it hurts. But given that discipline and that grit to keep going and persevere, it's definitely going to go a long way, and it's going to be able to help you accomplish a lot of goals and, of course, win several races later on. And in that process, I still do see MX3 as a partner in all of my future endeavors, especially in the field of fitness. So MX3 fits in here because antioxidants really play a good part in a person's physical wellness and health. Especially with my case, there's a lot of stress there. And having, to take antioxidants every day, it would really help. It's anti-inflammatory. It's even helpful for my immune system. So that really goes a long way. I'd like to thank MX3 for being my partner in health and fitness.
Nagbabalik! Ito na muli ang pagkakataon mo manalo ng 1 million pesos! 1 million pesos! Champion na! Milyonaryo pa! Champion na! Milyonaryo pa! Ipunin mo na ang mga empty wrappers, sachets o mga pouch ng Champion Bar, Champion Powder, Champion Liquid Detergent, Champion Fabric Conditioner at Champion Dishwashing Liquid. 1 million pesos ang pwede mong mapanalunan sa Grand Draw. May libo-libong piso pa ang prizes sa mga weekly draws na gaganapin sa mga MBC radio stations nationwide. Champion na! Milyonaryo pa! Champion na! Milyonaryo pa! Brought to you by Champion. Tapat po sa inyo. See posters on our official Facebook page for more details. Promo period is from August 4 to October 4, 2024. Per DTI Fairtrade permit number FTEB 197486, series of 2024.
Kayo, kayo na nakikinig sa DZRH Radio at nanonood sa DZRH TV, ang totoong dahilan kung bakit number 1 tayo sa pinakahuling Kantar survey sa Metro Manila. Kaya ang aming taos-pusong pagpapasalamat sa inyo dahil ang DZRH, una sa Pilipinas, una sa Pilipino.
Servisyong tapat sa iyo, DZRH.
At ngayon, balikan natin ang tampok na kasaysayan sa ating dulang. May pangako ang bukas.